Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Frame Friday. In this episode we have a quite special thing. We framed these cricket balls. I think it's quite a nice project and it's going to be an interesting video for it.
Yes, very.
So then let's get started with it, shall we? Okay, what is the plan to go along with it? So the idea is to frame them like that,
Yeah.
and then the plaque on the bottom.
Correct.
And then we have they sit in a mount itself. Box section on the front, of course.
Yeah.
And the glass, and the small box section on the back side. It's a square aperture.
Yeah. So on a window mount.
Yeah. And then a silver frame around it. It's a plastic profile, it's rebraid. So we make a box section on the sides, just draw that to that height. Then we have here the glass. It's the glass here. Then we have a mount on the front. True.
Correct.
Then we have a box section here. But before we put the box section, put everything together, we staple the box section in the frame where the mount card sits with the aperture, and behind them the mount card with the bolts, the other bolts. That's just stuck together. Hold that one in place. We have a look if that one is sturdy enough, depends. Sometimes we have to add a bit foam board here as well to make that a bit more sturdy.
Just reinforce it.
And then we make a piece of hardboard like that. Make the construction inside the box. Yeah. Okay.
Sounds good. That's the distance between the two mount holes, so it's approximately 75. So we've just used some spare cards just to try and do a bit of a mock-up, try and get our sizing right and the layout correct. Just so we're not going to waste the colour that we're going to actually use in the end product. We can just give it a bit of a trial run and see how it fits and troubleshoot any problems that we come across now before we start on the real one. So we've finished the mount now, ready for the balls. After a bit of trial and error, we've managed to get it all nice and square, looking great. So now we've got the mount, we can start to prepare the frame.
Boris, what do you think? Let's do some work? Huh? Some work? Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So this is the mount for the front of the frame. So this is the one that will be most visible. So right at the front next to the glass. So it's going to be 3/4 of an inch around the balls. So whilst I sort out this window mount, could you cut some glass for me, Joel? External box section has been built and is now stapled into the frame, so it's supporting the weight now. Next step is to build the internals of the box so it can support the mount and the balls within. I'm so sweaty right now. My balls are moist. I've got balls stuck in holes. So currently just stuck the balls in the holes with some hot glue. I've just mounted my balls. So we've just mounted the balls into the mount card, and now I am just trying to line up the plaque that the customer has ordered. Trying to get it central and equal, so then this piece will be done and be ready to go into the frame of the box section. Okay, so now we've got the mount board with the balls inside the foam box. Next step is to make some more foam strips, slightly smaller than the lip, to go around the inside, so then we can put a backboard over the top of everything.
thanks for watching, and yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up or leave a nice comment below. And as always, if you want more information about the framing shop, I leave the link in the description. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye bye.